Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing GATE CSE 2017 C programming question. First, let's read the question. Consider the following snippet of a C program. Assume that swap of address of x, address of y exchanges the content of x and y. Here it means that swap of address of x, address of y exchanges the content of x and y. Means the content of x and y are changed by calling this function swap. Int main, int of array. Here they have given us an array, okay, and they have also initialized a done variable which as 0, and they are iterating a while loop. If done is equal to 0 means no changes took place, then they are iterating over the two for loops given here, in which they are calling swap function, yes, and it is printing the value of array of 3, and the question is demanding us the output of the program. First, draw our array. I have represented here the array and done variables as initialized as 0, and I is also initialized to 0 for the first for loop. Now let's start our iteration for the first for loop. We check here I equals to 0, the condition is true. I is less than equal to 4, 0 is less than equal to 4 means the condition here is true. So it will enter the for loop and check the condition. If array of I is less than equal to array of I plus 1 means, let me do the indexing here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Array of 0 is less than equal to array of 1, 0 is less than equal to 1, condition is true. So if condition is true, and it will enter swap of address of array of 0 address of array of 1 means here swap would take place. So 3 gets swapped with 5, so 3 comes here and 5 comes here, and done is equal initialized to 0. First here done is initialized to 1, and now here done is initialized to 0 again. So it will now enter the for loop again, and I plus plus means I here gets incremented by 1, so 1, and here it checks I is less than equal to 4, 1 is less than equal to 4, so the condition is true. And now it will enter the if condition. If array of 1 is less than equal to array of I 1 plus 1 which is array of 2 means array of 1 which is 3 here and array of 2 which is 1 here, the condition is not true, so it will not execute this condition, and it will again go to I plus plus, so I gets incremented here also, so I is 2. Now it checks if array of 2 is less than array of 3, array of 2 which is 1 and array of 3 which is 4, so the condition here is true. Now it will swap the contents of array of 2 and array of 3, so 4 comes here and 1 comes here, and now done is initialized to 0, so 0 is again initialized to 0. Then now here it comes I plus plus, so I here gets incremented by 3, 3 is less than equal to 4, the condition here in the for loop is true, so it will now enter the if condition. If array of 3 is less than array of 4, array of 3 which is 1 and array of 4 which is 6, so the condition here is true. Now it will exchange the contents of array of 3 and array of 4, so 6 comes here and 1 comes here, and done is 0, so 0 again. Now the I gets incremented, so 3 plus 1 which is 4, and now we will check the condition. 4 is less than equal to 4, the condition here is true, so it will now enter the if condition. If array of 4 is less than array of 5, array of 4 which is 1 and array of 5 which is 2, so now here the if condition is true, now they will swap the values, so 1 comes at the last index at array of 5 and 2 gets at array of 4, so done is initialized to 0, so done is 0. Okay, now I plus plus which is 5, 5 is less than equal to 4, now the condition here is false, so it will come out of the for loop. Now it will again check the next for loop, I equals to 5, so it is again initialized to 5. Okay, now 5 is less than equal to 1, yes, the condition is true. Now it will check the array, now it will check the if condition. If array of I is less than equal to array of I minus 1 means here they are checking that if array of 5 is less than equal to array of is greater than array of 4. Now we will see array of 5 which is 1 and array of 4 which is 2, and array of 5 is not greater than array of 4. So the if condition is false. So it will again go to decrement condition of I minus minus. So 5 minus 1 which is 4. 4 is greater than equal to 4. 4 is greater than equal to 1. So the condition here is true in the for loop. Now it will check the if condition. If array of 4 is greater than array of 3. Now we will see array of 4 which is 2 and array of 3 which is 6. So array of 4 which is 2 is greater than equal to 6. The condition here is false. So it will again go to decrement condition of I minus minus. So 4 gets decremented as 3. Now we will see here if array of 3 is greater than array of 2. Array of 3 here is 6 and array of 2 here is 4. Now 6 is greater than 4. So they will exchange their contents. We are here swapping their values. So 6 comes here and 4 comes here. 4 comes here. Okay, sir. 4 comes here. Now 6 is existing at array of 2 and now I minus minus we will do. So and now we will check 2 is greater than equal to 1. Condition of for loop is true. Now we will jump to if condition. If array of 2 is greater than array of 1. Now we will see array of 2. Array of 2 is 6 and 6 is greater than 1 and 6 is greater than 3. So they will swap their contents. 6 comes here and 3 comes here. Now we will again decrement its value to, so 2 gets decremented to 1. Now we will see if array of 1 is greater than equal to 1. So the condition here is true. Now it will check the if condition. If array of 1 is greater than array of 0. Array of 1 here is 6 and array of 0 here is 5. So they will get swapped. So 6 comes here and 5 comes at the first index. Okay. So now our array is 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Now it will check done is here is 0. So it will now decrement its value which is 0. 0 is greater than equal to 1. The condition here is false. So it will come out of the for loop, and after the for loop it will again go to the while loop. Done here, done value is 0. Okay. So the 0 equal to 0. The condition here is true. Now we will see done is equal to 1. So here we are changing the done's value is 1. And now we are comparing from the for loop. The value is 0 here, and for I equals to 0. 0 is less than equal to 4. The condition here is true. Now we will check if array of 0 is less than array of 1. So we will see here array of 0 which is 6. Is it less than 5? No. The condition here is false. So it will not execute in the body of if loop, and it will again go to increment condition which is I plus plus. So 0 here gets incremented by 1 which is 1. Now it will check if array of 1 is less than array of 2. Array of 1 here is 5 and array of 2 here is 3. The condition is false. So it will not come in the if condition. So the condition is false. Now I gets incremented. So it gets incremented to 2. Now it will check if array of 2 is less than array of 3. It will check here 3 is less than 4. Yes, the condition here is true. Now it will go inside the if body and it will swap their contents. So 4 comes here and 3 comes here, and I gets incremented and done. First done is equal to 0 again, and now I gets incremented to 3, and it will check here 3 is less than equal to array of 4. No, the condition here is false. So it will not enter the body, and I gets incremented by 1. So I is equal to 4 here, and 4 is less than equal to 4. The condition here is true. Now we will check if array of 4 is less than array of 5. Array of 4 here is 2 and array of 5 which is 1. So the condition is false and it will not enter the if condition. So now it will check in I equal to 5. Here we are checking that if the condition, if the array of I is greater than array of I minus 1. But we can see that if we are considering these two, then array of 5 is 1 and array of 4 is 2. So 1 is greater than 2? No. Now if we will take 3 and 4, 2 is greater than 3? No. If we will take 2 and 3, 3 is greater than 4? No. And if we will take 2 and 1, 4 is greater than 5? No. And if we will take the last condition, which is 0 and 1, if 5 is greater than 6? No. So we will only check the if condition, and every time the if condition is false here. So our done is 0. Now we will check if done equal to 0 while loop. The done is equal to 0. Yes. Now done is initialized to 1. So done here gets 1. Now we will check. In this loop we are checking that if array of I is less than array of I plus 1, and we are checking from 0 to 4. So we will check here. In 0 and 1, 6 is less than 5? No. 1 and 2, 5 is less than 4? No. 4 and 3, 2 and 3, 4 is less than 3? No. 3 and 4, 3 is less than 2? No. And 4 and 5, 2 is less than 1? No. So in this for loop only the if condition is checked, and every time it is false, so it will not enter the ifs body. And in the second for loop, it will every time run the for loop and it will check the if condition. Every time the if condition is false here, so it will not enter the ifs body. And after that it will compare if done here value is 1 and 1 is equal to 0. No. Now it will come out of the main while loop and it will see that it has to print array of 3. And now we will compare here. Array of 3 here is 3. So the answer of this question is 3. It was an NAT type question and we have to enter 3 value here. So friends, if you like this video insightful, then you can like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also put your valuable comments in the comment section.